Good day, my amazing friends on the internet. Today I have something really useful for you. We are going to create a simple report for an ALV grid display very fast. And with this being said, let's proceed. We are going to start with the creation of the structure of the table, which is basically just a list of fields and their type. In our case, really simple, each field being a dummy table field type. So maybe you know this already, but the type statements within the statements begin of and end of define the components of the structure type. Struct type. If a component is a structure type, or if a new structure type is defined within a structure using begin of and end of, also substructures are created, which will not be the case in our example today. Well, there you go. After a long battle, I managed to finally close the creation of the structure. So moving on, we declared the internal table, type table of the structure we just created above, as well as prepared the internal field catalog table, which is a special type called LVCTFCat, the field catalog for list viewer control. And then the working area of the table type, of course, line of LVCTFCat. Let's also add the layout working area, which is going to be helpful should we need to control a bit the display of our LV. So now that we are done with the data declaration, let's move on to the most difficult select statement ever seen. Let's save our stuff into the internal table we just declared and proceed with the creation of the field catalog. So there are many components that can be set of the working area of the field catalog, as we are just going to set about three of them, and then after appending to our internal field catalog table, we will move on to the function call, in which we will pass this internal field catalog table as a parameter. So now let's append the working area to the field catalog, and let's copy these two more times. So the function call is going to be called by pressing the pattern button and searching for function reuse ALV grid display. Activate and set the necessary parameters for our topic, which are, let's say, layout 2, field catalog table, as well as the internal table. Let's uncomment the exceptions, as always, and also the exporting part of our function module needs to be uncommented. So let's activate and run our program to see if it works or what we can get. And obviously there's a mistake. I forgot to set the correct reference field and the field name in the working area of the field catalog. Now let me correct this and let's check again to see if the output is okay. Let's also add the column text in the call text component of the working area of the field catalog. Let's set interface for the first column and txt for the second and txt1 for the third. Let's try and activate now. Um, Actually, correct first the dot missing first place and in the third place also. Let's check and see how does it look. A bit better, but my suggestion is let's try to now to make the message text column also the width large enough to be able to show the full text message. So this seems to be looking a bit better now. So let's also add the zebra component marked with X just for display purposes. I guess that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.